Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind. Genesis 1:11. And as Audrey Hepburn once said, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Hey friends, if you're tired of sneaky bugs munching on your plants, I've got a spicy garden hack that's safe, simple, and super effective. Hot pepper DIY pest spray. First things first, let's talk peppers. Any hot pepper will do, jalapenos, habaneros, even those leftover chili flakes in your kitchen. The secret? Capsaicin. That's the compound that makes peppers spicy and bugs absolutely hate it. So, how do you turn these fiery veggies into bug-fighting magic? Here's my go-to recipe. Grab about 5 hot peppers and chop them up, seeds and all. Toss them into a blender with 2 cups of water. Blend until it's nice and smooth, then pour the mix through a fine strainer or cheesecloth into a jar. Add a teaspoon of mild dish soap. This helps the spray stick to your plants. Mix it all together, and boom, you've got your hot pepper spray. Now, here's the important part. Test first. Spray a little on a few leaves and wait 24 hours. If your plants look happy, you're good to go. Spray the mix onto the tops and bottoms of your leaves, focusing on spots where you see aphids, spider mites, or other pests hanging out. I usually do this early in the morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn. Here's a pro tip. Reapply after heavy rain and always wear gloves when spraying. Trust me, you don't want hot pepper juice in your eyes. The best part, this spray is totally natural, so it's safe for bees, butterflies, and your family. It's all about working with nature, not against it. So next time you spot some unwanted guests in your veggie patch, remember, you've got the power of peppers on your side. Give this DIY trick a try and watch your garden flourish. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share your own garden hacks in the comments. Happy gardening, and remember, great things grow from little seeds and a little spice.